So you're in your final years of high school and you're ready to be done. You're ready to graduate as quick as possible and move on to the next step in your life. That's exactly what I'm doing right now, and I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. Alright, so I'm 17 years old, I'm a junior in high school, and I'm going to graduate this year. This past summer is when I decided that I wanted to graduate as a junior. So essentially what I'm doing right now is I'm at an independent studies program, which is where you have a teacher that you meet with once a week. So I turn in my work and talk about the work if I have any questions, and then my teacher gives me work for the next week. So I'll have like textbooks and online classes, and I use Google Docs for a bunch of stuff. I do all of my work at home. I'm taking 8 classes right now because I need to get all of the credits this year that I would be getting the next 2 years. So one of the classes that I have in a textbook is my horticulture class, and what I do is I'll read one of the chapters in it, and then there's questions at the end of the chapter, and I'll write about those questions, answer them, and then I'll also fill out part of a workbook that I just print every week, and then that's my horticulture work. So I'll just turn that in, I'll just bring that in to my teacher and give that to her, and yeah, it's really as simple as that. For online classes, the teacher for those classes is just through the website. So my teacher at my school can see the grades but doesn't assign the work in that. So the classes I'm taking online are math and US history and government. So in history I have lessons and tests which I get assigned pretty much every single day of the week. So I'll usually do all of those in one sitting. After every unit there's an exam which is like 18 questions or something. So yeah, those are the 3 different types of classes that I'm taking right now. If anyone's curious, all of the classes that I'm taking are just gonna pop up on the screen. Yeah, so I was at a public high school last year and I didn't like my teachers, I didn't like the way the work was going, and so I decided that I wanted to switch to this program that I had been hearing about through friends. And I just called them and asked how to get a meeting and see if I really wanted to go there. So I got that all figured out and had a meeting. It went great. They said I'd be a great fit for the school because it's such an independent program. You really have to be able to do the work on your own and not have anyone telling you what to do every step of the way. The day that I had that meeting, I left my high school and joined the new school. I don't know how many independent studies schools there are. I think homeschool would be another good option. The reason that I chose an independent studies program is because I can do the work as fast as I want. There's really not a time frame for classes or for a year. So that's what's letting me take 2 years of high school in 1 year essentially. If you're looking for a program like this, you can just search for an independent studies school near you. And I think more and more are popping up now that people are really liking this alternate way of education. If you don't find any, then I would say your best bet is homeschool, and just trying to do that work as consistently as possible, not slacking off, is really important. I try to do all of my work on Monday and Tuesday, and then if I don't finish it then, I'll do a little bit more on Thursday. Fridays is when my meeting is, where I turn in all that work. I have the freedom to just skip a lesson and take the test if I think I know the information, and then just have it be over with, you know? For me, this program works really well because I am self-motivated and I like to be independent in my learning. I just wanted to share all of this because if you don't know what to look for, it would be kind of hard to find a way to graduate high school a year early. I'm graduating a year early so that next year, which would be my senior year, I can go travel and figure out if I want to make that into a lifestyle where I'm full-time traveling. And at this point, I think that's what I want to do. So I'm really excited for that, and these videos that I'm making are to help other people through a process similar to mine or even the same as mine, where you just have the travel bug and you want to get out there into the world. This information can really help anyone that's just wanting to go through their high school quicker than a regular program. I mean, at 17 years old, I feel like I have a better understanding, at least than I used to, of what I want to do with my life, and I just don't see a point of waiting around until I'm, done with regular high school and then go through college, and I'm like, wait, why did I wait all that time, Like, I think now's the time. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you find it helpful and I'm giving all the information clearly. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments down below or on my Instagram, which is going to be right up there. And hey guys, I forgot to mention one thing, which is that I am working on a huge project where I'm basically going through all of the footage that my friends took in Hawaii on their GoPros, and I'm putting it all together and editing it and trying to make it into a little travel video. And it's definitely not easy. There's probably like 5 hours of footage to go through. I've been working on the project for maybe 10 hours by now, and the video is like 5 minutes long. It's taken a long time. I'm learning how to use Final Cut Pro better, and it's pretty fun. But yeah, that should be coming in one of the following weeks, and it's why I haven't posted a video recently. So I just had to throw this together, and I want to try to be posting more often, but I'm figuring out how my work and school schedule can fit in with making videos on YouTube and continuing to work on this project. So yeah, anyways, back to the video. Alright, well, I hope all of you are doing well, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.